Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I like playing puzzle with my kids. It's amazing how those small pieces can fit together to make a beautiful picture where each piece it has its own color and it has its own shape and it cannot be replaced by any other pieces. In the same way, we have the enterprise architecture that consists of 4 domains: the application architecture, business architecture, data architecture, and also the technology architecture. Each one of those architecture domains, it has its own characteristics that it can fit inside the enterprise architecture. And this is puzzle of the enterprise architecture. It's called the Metamodel. Let's explore the Metamodel by having some examples. The first example we have is the business procedure and its relation with the application. The application actually is the implementation of the business procedures. Another example is the business procedures and its relation with the database, where all fields that being passed through the business procedure is stored inside a database. The third example we have is the technical service and its relation with the databases, where the input and output fields of the service is stored inside the database. The fourth examples we have is the hosting of the applications inside a specific server, inside a specific data center. The last but not least, we have the hosting of the databases inside a server and inside a specific data center. Those are just some examples of the Metamodel. In fact, those are very high-level examples, and the details is much more rich than the examples that we got. To wrap up, the Metamodel is connecting the architecture domains together, the business architecture, application architecture, data architecture, and technology architecture together to make this beautiful picture that's called enterprise architecture.